saan pwedeng invest ang 10,000 pesos mo. So watch this video kung isa ka sa nagtatanong saan pwedeng mag-invest with a small amount of money. And watch this video out. So ang pag-uusapan natin guys ay saan nga ba pwedeng invest ang 10,000 pesos or less. At may mga nagtatanong sa akin through Facebook Messenger na nagtanong paano ba magsimula mag-invest kung ang pera ko ay 10,000 pesos. Meron na bang mga investment vehicle na pwede kong masimulan? At bago natin pagpatuloyin guys, I will appreciate if you hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell para updated ka sa mga videong ina-upload ko. And please support my channel para sa mas maraming financial education para sa iyo at mga investment na pwede natin pag-usapan. So, here we go. Unang-una, thank you for that message because alam mo guys, kapag may mga taong nagtatanong how they will start to invest, I'm so happy because this is my advocacy. This is what I want to be. More Filipinos invest into stock market, invest in anything, basta mag-invest tayo sa Pilipinas because the more Filipinos start investing, the better Philippines will be. No? The better economy that will be. Yan yung pangarap ko. Personally guys, yan yung talagang gusto ko makikita. Maraming Pilipino ang mag-invest. Kaya, sa tanong na to, para sa iyo to. So, saan nga pa pwedeng mag-invest? And, unang-una, pwede kang mag-invest sa tatlong kasing klase. Meron tayong paper asset, real estate, at businesses. Pero, sa ngayon, isa-isahin natin, himay-himayin natin. So, ang unang pwedeng pag-investan in terms of paper asset ay una, mutual fund. So ano ba yung mutual fund? Mutual fund is an investment company na kung saan magbibigay ka for as low as 1,000 pesos, you can start investing into mutual fund. So mutual fund, meron tong it's a company, tapos ipupull nila yung mga pera, then they will invest into either stock market, government bonds, money market. Depende kung ano yung investment na pinapasok mo. So, this one handled and managed by a fund manager. So, the fund manager is in charge para palaguin ang pera mo. So, as low as 1,000 pesos, you can start investing na. You can participate even in stock market. So, para sa mas maraming mga company at mas maraming kaalaman, you can go to this website www.fifa.com.ph. So, lahat yan, makikita mo yung mga iba't ibang mutual fund companies na listed at how they perform in 3 years, in 5 years, in 1 year, and year to date. Makikita mo who among the mutual fund companies perform well. So, yan yung pwede mong tignan. So, I will post also the link below para click mo na lang, diretso nang mapunta sa link ng mutual fund. So, pangalawa is UITF. So, sa UITF is still the same as mutual fund investing. The only difference is, ang mutual fund managed by PSE. So, Philippine Stock Exchange o SEC, Security Exchange Commission. Pero ang UITF is managed by, regulated by BSP o Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Etong mga UITF, mostly sa mga bangko yan. So, you can go to their asset management and invest. So, for as low as 1,000, pwede ka na rin mag-invest dito. So, ganun din yan. Parehas din. They have the fund manager that they will put all the money of the investors. And yung fund manager, siya yung magdi-decide para kung ano yung mga bibilhin. So, you just invest and relax. So yun, the only difference between isa sa difference ng mutual fund and UITF is mutual fund is shares, you're buying shares, kapag UITF buying a lot. So isa pang pagkakaiba nila sa UITF, walang annual board meeting o shareholders meeting. Samantalang ang mutual fund, meron yan annually. So, yan. So, pangatlo, alam mo, ito yung nakakatuwa dahil sa halagang 10,000, you can start a business. So, pwede ka na magsimula in these few weeks. No, I watched YouTube regarding the success story. Some people start 3,000, nagtayo sila ng sari-sari store sa halagang 3,000, then yung 3,000 nila napalago, and now it's a mini grocery and wholesaler na sila. So you can start. Meron din ako kilala, watch this YouTube, nag-start siya ng 5,000 pesos loading station, yung loading e-load. So sinimulan niya doon, bumili siya ng loading kit and then start, and now isa na siyang malaking grocery store. So, pwede na yun, or you can do online. So, marami ka nang pwedeng gawing business dito sa 10,000 mo. At isa pang pwede mong pag-investan ay ang Philippine stock market, where you buy numbers of share of a different big company na kilala mo. Kilala mo ba si Jollibee? Kilala mo ba si McDonald's? Kilala mo ba si Mang Inasal, si PLDT, si Meralco? So all of these you can buy shares. For as low as 5,000, you can open an account sa iba't ibang stock brokerage company. So you can go to PSEI Edge, or I can ilalagay ko na lang yung link below para sa mga makita mo kung ano yung mga Philippine broker o stock broker sa Pilipinas. So ano ang pagkakaiba ng stock market sa mutual fund at sa UITF? So they are all both classified as, nabubulol pa ako, they are all classified as paper asset, where you invest in paper asset kasi before bibigyan ka ng papel just to give a certificate na meron kang investment. Pero ngayon, since electronic na, most of the time electronic na lang yung binibigay, electronic copy. Pero dati paper talaga. So balik tayo. So sa stock market, ikaw yung nagmamanage. You are the one doing the transaction. You are the one doing your research. Buy, sell, and which company are you going to buy. Compare sa UITF and mutual fund, the fund manager will be the one to decide ano yung company na nakikita niya using his expertise, what company they can buy, what company is good for them to sell. So yun yung ginagawa ng fund manager. So I will share you my experience. No, when I start investing mutual fund, but lang sinimula namin, but because you learn the system, you can advance to stock market. So pwede mo siyang simulan sa stock market. Ang pagkakaiba lang, kapag natuto ka na, of course, the more exposed ka dun sa trading mo, sa portfolio mo, the more chances na mas mabilis lumago ang pera mo. Unlike sa mutual fund, hindi mo kasi siya makokontrol. Mutual fund ay UITF, because the fund manager will be decide, siya yung nag-aaral in your behalf. For you, you just give money para mag-invest, and then the fund manager will decide. But take note, the fund manager does not have or handle your money. He only decide kung ano ang pwede niya islagay sa portfolio mo. So, understanding that one, alam nyo, it depends on the person kung pipiliin niya ang mutual fund, UITF, or stock market. But if you have a pleasure sa time, kung may oras ka at gusto mo rin ng excitement and challenge, you can go stock market naman. Pero kung gusto mong magsimula muna, start with mutual fund, UITF, small businesses. For 10,000, you can do all those things. You can choose pala. Kasi baka lahat, sabagay, lahat pwede mo na gawin, tagwa 1,000, 5,000 sa stock market. But you can do, what I like about it is, when you start, it's not about investing alone. The learning of the investment na papasukin mo. If you will start sari-sari start, you can develop your skill, about selling, about marketing, inventory, and that's another skill. Pero lahat yan kailangan pag-aaralan. At kung iniisip mo na maglalagay ka ng 10,000, kikita agad yan, there's no such thing as sure ball or siguradong investment na risk-free. Lahat yan may risk. Especially ngayon na panahon ng pandemic, medyo market is still bumaba, although slowly nakakaahon na. But for me, still this is the best time for all Filipinos to start investing into stock market. So guys, I will appreciate if you put comment kung ano yung sa mga investment na to ang gusto mong pag-usapan natin. Mutual fund, UITF, business, or stock market. At I will also appreciate if you like that button below and hit that subscribe button at share mo na rin. And also don't forget to smash that notification bell para updated ka kung may mga ina-upload akong bagong video katulad nito. So guys, I hope you enjoy, I hope you learn in this video, in this channel. So if you're learning so far, share mo for more Filipinos to start investing into the Philippines. Either real estate siya, either stock market, either business siya, as long you invest in the Philippines, it will boost slowly, kahit maliit, may tutulong ka na sa paglago ng ekonomiya ng Pilipinas. And once again, this is Bern nagsasabing bawat Pilipino may kakayahang umasenso. God bless you all.